Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering the major Roman 4 off and removing cables. This prevents shorting and preserves pairing. Once done, strap in an ESD wristband and lay parts in order. Use a Phillips #00 and plastic spudger to lift the ear cup pad gently. There are hidden clips and one ribbon connector. You'll see 3 screws. Remove them and keep track of which goes where. Doing these steps now saves time and prevents lost parts later, so don't rush the opening. You'll now access the internal module. First, unplug the battery connector with the spudger to avoid tugging wires. Then remove the old 3.7V battery. Observe its polarity and mounting orientation so the new pack fits the same way. Once the replacement is seated, secure it with tape or foam to prevent movement. Next, inspect and reseat ribbon and speaker connectors. Loose contacts cause intermittent sound. Make sure cables follow original routing to avoid pinching when reassembling. You're ready to reassemble. Align the ear cup and press clips until they click, then reinstall screws in their original holes to avoid misalignment. Power the headphones on and pair with your device. Test audio channels, mic, button functions, and battery percentage reporting. If volume or channels are off, power down and reopen to reseat conductive pads and connectors. If nothing changes, perform a firmware reset or update, and if problems persist, check connector integrity. Often a loose plug or damaged ribbon is the culprit.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.